Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel My Health 2021. Friends, if you are new to our videos or you are new to our channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification from our side. Friends, today we are going to discuss COVID-19 vaccination progress worldwide. So globally there are around 150 companies. They are working on the corona vaccine to get the vaccine for combating the coronavirus. Friends, as you are aware, there are various phases of vaccination to be conducted for testing the clinical efficacy of the vaccine. So there are various phases: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 clinical trial. In phase 1 clinical trial, as I earlier said in my previous videos, in phase 1 clinical trial there are around 60 to 80 people are involved. In phase 2 clinical trials there are around 1000 people are involved, and in phase 3 clinical trial there may be more than 3000 of the peoples are involved. Once all these clinical trials is conducted successfully, then only company can apply for the approval, and company has to take the approval from WHO as well as FDA. If company got the approval, then and then only company can manufacture and market their vaccine in the market. So first company is CanSino Biological and Beijing Institute of Biotech. They are working together, and this is the one of the fastest doing company in the market. That this company is reached up to the approval phase, and this vaccine is from China. Second one is Wuhan Institute of Sinopharm. This vaccine is in phase 2 clinical trial, and this vaccine is from China. Third is Beijing Institute of Biological Product Sinopharma. They are working together. They are in phase 2 clinical trial, and this vaccine is also from the China country. Fourth vaccine is Sinovac Instituto Butantan. This vaccine is doing their clinical trial in phase 3. Friends, this vaccine is also from China. So there may be chances that China is going to launch the vaccine compared to other companies, as there are four vaccines are in clinical trial as well as one vaccine is in the approval phase. Fifth is Novavax. So Novavax vaccine is from United States state, and this vaccine is working in the phase 2 clinical trial. Sixth is Moderna. So Moderna company is working in the phase 2 clinical trial, and this Moderna vaccine or the Moderna company is from United States. Seventh is BioNTech, Fosun Pharma and Pfizer Pharma. They are working together, and this vaccine is in the phase 2 clinical trial, and this vaccine is from Germany. Second one is Wuhan Institute of Sinopharm. This vaccine is in phase 2 clinical trial, and this vaccine is from China. Ninth is AstraZeneca and Oxford University. They are working together. This AstraZeneca is also doing very well. They are doing their vaccine for phase 3 clinical trials, and this vaccine is from United Kingdom. 10th is Vaccine Pty Limited, Meditox. So this company is working in the phase 1 clinical trial, and this vaccine is from Australia country. And friends, there are two vaccine from India also. One is from Zydus Cadila, which is in phase 1 clinical trial, as well as second vaccine is from Bharat Biotech and ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, they are working together to get the vaccine against the coronavirus. So friends, Indian vaccines, they are in just phase 1 clinical trial. They have just cleared their pre-clinical trials on animals, and they are doing their clinical trials on human being. So we are hoping very much from Bharat Biotech and ICMR for vaccine against the coronavirus. Let's hope so. Bharat Biotech is going to launch the vaccine as soon as they covers all the phase clinical trials successfully. Thank you very much friends for watching my video. Please subscribe because we always come with such a interesting videos. So friends, for detailed information or the latest update, you can visit the WHO site for latest upcomings or latest information on the vaccination. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot.